Welcome to Step by Step USMLE, where we simplify your USMLE journey one step at a time. Today we're diving into the structure of USMLE Step 1, one of the most important milestones on your path to becoming a licensed physician in the United States. Step 1 is often considered the foundation of medical knowledge. It assesses your understanding of basic sciences and how you apply that knowledge to medical practice. But what exactly is the exam like? The exam consists of 280 multiple-choice questions divided into 7 60-minute blocks, giving you a total of 8 hours to complete it. That includes an optional 45-minute break and a 15-minute tutorial at the beginning. Use your breaks wisely, they're crucial for maintaining focus. The questions cover a wide range of topics, including anatomy, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, physiology, behavioral sciences, and more. The key to Step 1 is integration. Questions often combine multiple subjects presented through clinical scenarios. So it's not just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding concepts and applying them in real-world contexts. Step 1 is now scored as pass-fail. While this reduces some pressure, remember, your performance still reflects the depth of your medical knowledge, which will benefit you in later steps and clinical practice. That's a quick overview of the USMLE Step 1 structure. In future videos, we'll cover preparation tips, study resources, and much more. So hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.